Imagine you receive a $5,000 bonus today. What would you buy? A new iPhone? A luxury watch? A vacation? Now here's the question. What would a millionaire do? The answer could completely change your financial future. Most people buy things that lose value. A new car starts losing value the moment you drive it. The latest phone becomes outdated within a year. Designer clothes don't make you richer. These are called liabilities. They take money out of your pocket. Now think differently. Instead of buying things that lose value, imagine buying a piece of a business, a diversified investment fund, or building your own business. These are examples of assets that have the potential to generate income or grow in value over time. That's why many wealthy people ask one simple question before spending money. Will this make me money or cost me money? Here's the secret. Rich people don't avoid spending. They simply try to let their assets pay for their lifestyle. First, they build income-producing assets. Then, they enjoy the rewards. Many people buy luxury first and hope wealth comes later. Wealthy people often reverse that order. The next time you're about to buy something, ask yourself, is this an asset or just another expense? That one question could change your financial future. Subscribe for more simple money lessons because building wealth starts with smarter decisions.